I'm at Mobil Paraparaumu today. I was last here back in, I think it was end of 2021, November 2021, when they still had the last remaining Ryko Premier XL in the whole of Wellington here. Obviously that's now gone. That was replaced about a year ago in the middle of 2022 with a brand new Istobal M'Nex 22, and that's what we are going to have a go in today. This is actually going to be my second ever Mobil M'Nex 22, because I've done one of these before at the Mobil in Parramatta, which is my local petrol station. That was all the way back in 2019, right after the machine had been installed. That was my first M'Nex 22. So I've done a few other Istobal machines since then, so I'm very familiar with them, but I'm looking forward to having a go in this one. So let's get to it. Here's they're having a little bit of work done here, which means I've got to do this sort of little awkward turn here over the speed hump to get around to the wash bay, whereas normally I'd be able to just come right the way through here. So this is going to have to be a bit of a three-point turn, I'm afraid, because I'm not going to make this in one go. That's all right. It's only we got timers still. The dryer's still going on the car that's in there at the moment. There you go. You can see the back of it. You can use this time to get lined up. So this is actually the fifth Mobil in Wellington to get one of these. Otaki was the first to get one. All the way back in 2015, it was the oldest M'Nex 22 in Wellington. Parramatta and Kilburnie got theirs in 2019, both of them, one after the other. Porirua got one in 2020, and this site got one in 2022. So we have that. There's also a couple of other Istobal machines around Wellington, as we know. Quite hilariously, it's a good thing I was planning on coming here, because the BP petrol station that is over there, the car wash over there, has just broken down. Literally, whilst I was waiting at the traffic lights to come over here, it broke down. Hilarious. Now, what have I done with the ticket? There we go. 798725. Okay, now, I bet you I can't reach. No, I'm going to have to open the fucking door. Right. 798725. Wrong code? What? 798725. That's not right. Why is it coming up the wrong code? Unless that's the wrong ticket. Okay, rookie error there. That was the wrong ticket. That was the ticket from a car wash I bought in Miramar a few months ago. 108417 is our code. That's better. I've never done anything that stupid before. Right, let's get in there. Straight. I think I'm touching the rails on the right there. If I put the car in reverse, I can see in the reversing camera that I'm lined up to the right a little bit more, I think. There we go. We're in. Okay. We are good to go. Here we go. Soap's coming on. Nice blue soap. I don't know, there's a bit of pink at the bottom there, but this top half is definitely blue. Just as well, it is a Mobil car wash after all. I do love Istobal machines, I really do. I'm going to have some of my drink. Just come over here from Wendy's where I had my lunch. It looks like there's been a bit of yellow soap in here as well, possibly. I can see a little bit of yellow running down the machine. This is obviously now a different kind of soap we've had applied on the return pass because it is white. Brushes should be coming on now. Yep, here we go. So I've bought the top wash package, which is very reasonable, $17. Probably one of the cheapest top level car washes you can get these days with Mobil, and you still get an M'Nex 22, which is a reasonably decent, which is a pretty decent machine. And okay, it's still only a fairly basic model machine. It doesn't have high pressure. It's not a combi wash. But it's still going to do the job. It should get rid of the bird poo off the bonnet, which should be a good start. Brush wise with plain dark blue brushes, which is bog standard. I'm pretty sure that the dark blue brushes are just sort of bog standard from the supplier, because NPD also have M'Nex 22s with the same colour brushes. Z has the same colour brushes on their M'Nex 32s, and quite a few of the privately owned M'Nex 22s at like private car wash centres also use this colour brushes as well. So that seems to be the sort of generic default option. But for a company like Mobil, whose primary brand colour is blue, it's a pretty easy choice to go with. And excuse me. Okay, we're now getting our next product applied. Brushes are of course running for the final time. Brush wash was definitely the right idea with the state my car was in. Definitely needed the scrubbing action to get the bird crap off. But then again, I am in Paraparaumu, so there's not a lot of choice. Oh, we're getting a rinse cycle. I don't think the one at Parramatta does a rinse cycle. But then again, this machine is 3 years newer than the one at Parramatta. I could be wrong. Maybe the one at Parramatta does. I haven't been in the one at Parramatta since I filmed it 3 years ago, so maybe I've just forgotten. And another little rinse as we come back. And now we should go on to the drying. Yes, here we go. The dryers on these Istobal's are just absolutely enormous. And very powerful. Hello. And back it comes. Don't need to rush to get out of here. Doesn't look like there's anyone behind me. Top of the machine. And there we go. Okay, let's get out of here. Just need to go and pull out the wash bay. Need to adjust my door mirrors. There's a bit of a speed bump getting out the car wash. Well, there we go. That is the M'Nex 22 Istobal at Mobil Paraparaumu. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.